Welcome to this latest modern house tour, where contemporary architecture meets refined luxury. In today's video, we explore a home designed to inspire, one that balances clean lines, thoughtful spaces, and elegant materials. This house is not only about visual beauty, but also about how architecture can elevate everyday living. From the exterior to the smallest interior details, every element reflects a modern lifestyle shaped by comfort, sophistication, and timeless design principles. At the heart of this modern house lies a strong architectural vision rooted in contemporary design philosophy. The form is clean, structured, and intentional, emphasizing simplicity without sacrificing character. Architects today focus on creating homes that feel open yet grounded, bold yet calming. This house demonstrates how modern architecture uses geometry, proportion, and spatial flow to create a luxurious atmosphere that feels both innovative and deeply human. The exterior design sets the tone with a bold yet elegant presence. Strong horizontal lines, minimalist facades, and carefully selected materials such as natural stone, concrete, and would create a refined composition. Large openings and subtle textures add depth without visual clutter. This modern exterior is designed to stand out while remaining timeless, offering a luxurious first impression that feels confident, contemporary, and perfectly balanced. The entrance of this modern house is designed as a transition between the outside world and the calm interior environment. A thoughtfully designed pathway accent lighting, and a striking main door immediately communicate a sense of luxury. This moment of arrival is important in contemporary architecture as it sets emotional expectations. Here, the entrance feels welcoming, serene, and intentional, inviting residents and guests to slow down and experience the space. Inside, the open-plan living area becomes the soul of the house. Seamless connections between the living room, dining area, and kitchen create a sense of freedom and flow. High ceilings and large glass panels enhance spaciousness while allowing natural light to dominate the interior. The design encourages interaction and relaxation, proving that modern luxury is not about excess, but about comfort, openness, and thoughtful spatial design. Luxury in contemporary design is often expressed through materials. This house carefully combines warm wood textures, elegant marble surfaces, refined metal accents, and soft, neutral finishes. Each material is chosen not only for aesthetics, but also for how it feels and ages over time. The harmony between textures creates visual richness while maintaining a minimalist character, demonstrating how true luxury lies in quality, balance, and craftsmanship. One of the defining features of this modern house is its strong relationship with natural light and the surrounding environment. Floor-to-ceiling windows, inner courtyards, and open views blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor spaces. Sunlight enhances the mood of each room throughout the day, while greenery adds freshness and calm. This connection to nature is a key element of contemporary luxury living. The private spaces, including bedrooms and bathrooms, are designed as personal sanctuaries. Soft color palettes, clean lines, and uncluttered layouts create a restful atmosphere. The master bedroom feels like a boutique hotel suite, complete with generous space, natural light, and refined details. Modern luxury here is subtle and calming, offering privacy, comfort, and a sense of retreat from the busy outside world. Modern houses are incomplete without intelligent design details and technology integration. From concealed storage solutions to smart lighting and climate control, this home embraces innovation without overwhelming the user. Technology is seamlessly embedded into the architecture, enhancing comfort and efficiency. These thoughtful details reflect a contemporary lifestyle where luxury is defined by convenience, sustainability, and well-considered design solutions. In conclusion, this latest modern house tour showcases how contemporary architecture can be both inspiring and luxurious. Through clean design, thoughtful materials, natural light, and refined details, the house becomes more than a structure. It becomes a lifestyle statement. This home reminds us that modern luxury is not about extravagance, but about clarity, balance, and meaningful design. Thank you for joining this tour, and we hope it inspires your own architectural journey.